Finally, we are back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you some very important remedy with this little onion. Okay, so let's get started with the video. This video is actually very important for the parents, for those parents actually I must say whose child is suffering from cough. This little onion, it will help your baby sleep at night, and it will help him get rid of that cough which disturbs its sleep and also the sleep of the parents. It's really very disturbing because when my daughter, she was small and she used to get that cough, this onion helped us a lot. So I'll show you what you have to do with this little onion so that your baby sleeps a sound sleep at night, and also the parents, they also get their sleep, because it's really that cough really disturbs the baby sleep and also the parents sleep. So let's get started straight to the video. What you have to do, you just have to make the cut in the onion. You just have to cut the onion like this. You have to just make small cuts on it in this way with the tip of your knife. Some vertical, some horizontal, and then you have to keep this slice just close to where your baby is sleeping. Yes, close to his head. The baby will stop that cough. This fumes will help him stop that cough, and the baby will get a very good sleep at night. Just try this remedy. It is very effective and very useful. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that like button so that I also get motivated, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss an upcoming important and useful information from us.